Often HTML tags have a specific way that they are displayed in the browser, and changing those tags changes how the text is displayed. This allows us as well as users to determine a certain hierarchy to the text. Headings are displayed different from standard body copy, and we can apply certain formatting like bolding or italicizing text with HTML tags. Let's take a look what happens in real time when we change a paragraph tag to a heading 1 tag. So I'll start with my opening paragraph tag, and then I'll write this is text, and then I'll add the closing p tag. The slash tells the browser that this is the end of the paragraph tag. So you can see that by default, our text is a 12-point font, it's Times New Roman, and it's black. If I change the paragraph tag to a heading 1 tag or an H1 tag here, you'll see the text gets a lot bigger. It's also bold now. This is because the browser treats paragraph text and heading text differently. The same goes for if we were to change the H1 to, say, an H4. And for this, I'll copy our text and then I'll just change it on a new line so we can compare them side by side. So you can see that the H4 tag gets a lot smaller. And in fact, each subsequent heading tag will get smaller based on its level. This creates a nice visual hierarchy. So we have our H1, our H2, our H3, our H4, H5, and H6. Each one getting smaller and smaller because the browser treats each of these tags differently.